Okay. And now it's day because this day is to fight the shopping rhyme. Of course. Alright, and now what's the turn? Okay, and later it's gonna keep with this maggot because it's from on a little. Why? Because later. Why? No. Why? No. What? No! Don't talk. Let's go up. Go up at the tutorial right before. Oh, is this shopping a portal? Yes. And he returns for the portal on an animation into ultimate form. What the ultimate form? It's because of Ali is another dark secret. We have to destroy him once for all. Could it hurt? Yeah? Oh. It's fate right now. Now let's go before you tornado over one more test. Let's go. Wait for me. Okay, Terrace, you go and start hitting the eggs. Bye. Yeah. Hey, mister. Did you know FS is currently in the space? Okay, this is what hard the battle is. Okay, this is the first thing at the art. No, that. Please, you can size and time. Oh, there's a 10-layer one. Okay. Please stand here. I can't. Take care. Advice. Me too. And now let's move on that. About this, let's try to home. Because it's one bad thing on here. Okay, I go to hold red horse. Okay, I use my. Hey, you don't away. Okay. So we have to go right now. We gotta have to find the bad guys in here. Oh. I have it. Okay, that. Okay, what? You. Okay. Blue, you going to stand up. But just a kid to go. Okay. And now, for red, you have to. I thought there is all this space. A space? Wait a minute. The shopping space. Okay. Come on, Red. Let's get a teamwork. Are you really sure about that? Yeah. Okay, and now you really had reasons that you have us Chuck, Bomb, and Baby Red. Go to an hotel looking for Cyborg. Cyberpork? Yes. Now I need to go. Okay? Now, Stella in Moto. You coming with me. Okay. Oh, there's more blocks of stutter. Maybe I should have broken out. Yes. Oh, I broke it easy. And now let's move to. Got you on. Oh, you're the cyberpunk. Wait, how you know my name is a con? Okay, fine. So, Father, please, after all. I'm Cyberporky. You told me that you know my name. Oh. Huh? You really sure about that? You can defeat me throwing? And now I have this splittable die to cut all the construction. It lets us the parts dicing. One. Hit fire hot head. One is Alright, fine. You 4. Yes. A castle. Wait. Minion. Yes, Cyberpork. Construct. Just castle sand? Of course. Because by. Hey! Oh! Okay. Gonna have this slingshot. There's no slingshot, birdie. What am I gonna. Hey! What? We have a slingshot over here. Here. Oh! Thank you, too. Carry on. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Ah, yes. Fared. Oh, no. It's gonna buff up. Oh! Hey, Feridian. This is my try right now. This is a good for her. Yes! More construction. Oh crap, this is gonna be hard. Oh, so I found one. Oh god. I got yes. Oh god, I got yes! This is my last try. And my last try, this guy. Just the Oh, just this? There was a little. You're die right now with the dice. Oh, dices work. Not work. Oh shit. You fucking fools. You this tactic at them hard. Sing. Do ever you fuckist. at my life without water hurts. And my worry virtue to say I will be back at your doom and looking for it. What? Oh, he's gone. Okay, I gotta be customized for me. Oh. Okay. The shopping. Okay. The shopping. Okay. 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 Why? Okay. Okay. Oh, stop! Okay, just the music. Look at slingshots. Wait a sec. This is more dollar to buy this thing. Yes, because it's slingshots. Better to buy. I'll use this. Let's rule the four. Yes. Okay, let's rule that. Are you really sure that if it is Walter will buy? I'm really sure how. Because it's kicked hair. I going at that. Alright, for the. Oh, this is masted. Yes, this is called Space Shot. Space Shot? Yes, I'm looking warmer because it's so dollary of the man. Wait, what is this? Hi, birdie. Oh no, it's cyberpunk. Of course, but it is Hickey Murd. Why you are the slingshot in space? Because it's mine now. We're mine. Okay. Let's get started. Wait a second. This is not true. How we're all the top. Ah! Now for fine. You're getting here. Hey! No! You! Go away! I get it here too. How can force the test? Shut up. This is that. I will teleport you into space. Oh, now I am the space. Of course. Purity. Why you can fight it? Let's racing. I going to other. You can't run, you fucking stop it. 3, 2, 1, go! I am so tired. I think this is 1 million fastest in the world. You know what? Get it. That's it. Rockets. This stalker is so far. It is never stop. You know what? I out of here. Oh, that's like as fastest. So long. No. Come back here. I'm going this. This staircase under a space. And now you gotta pay for What? You idiot? Are you going to hurt or be around over here? Oh. Oh no, I'm going. Aha, goodbye, you fucking idiot. I sweat it. The finish line, I can do this. And the winner is Redbird. Always happening now. Red, what's going on? No, I teleported on a space? What? How? Cause he's so only turn on only turns and that all I care. I'm gonna curl help up. Hold the pill. Now you'll defeat the bad guy. Let's move on. I gotta take this too. Meanwhile, I took it. Why it takes so long? I heard. If you buy this. Ah! How you? Wait, treasures? No, I'm not treasures. I am the foreman. Wait, another foreman? Yes. Kick your ass. But you're the second one. There's another foreman. How? Okay, I'm just gonna. What the heck? What is going on? Wow, there is the second one. Where is that start? Because it's not true. It's true. Oh, fine. I gotta chase you. Oh no, you can't. Haircut. Ah. Got the blocks? Oh no. What the? I think it should jump. Here I think. Come here. Oh no, you can. Yeah, it's I know what. I draw you under the down. No. No. Why? Oh, Zephyr to heart. Hey, Zephyr. What? Okay. Iron is a go hard to fight. That's it. We gotta bring it, man. Huh. You think that? Fool. Just not. Okay, you go first. Alright. That time. Got it. Be fast. What's this first? What are you doing? do. What else? Already has. What? You don't hold the treasures, but at least for a hole and not. Just good doing. No one is search for holes. Stupid. Yeah, how Me one, of course. I can't across the. If it has its teeth, no, I'm not surprised of you. What? You are adding it to it on. You are doing how I did too. Or the ow. You sure about the security? Size a sutter. Oh, that's flicker now. Hey, don't touch the hair. You and this Okay. Terrence. Oh no. This is over by. Meanwhile, I trust you to attack, and you're gonna have for a nerd. Yeah, that was it. Did. Now it's you to break. All right, 3, 2, 1. Now 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, we're back. Oh, bye. 2. Let's stop. Hey, what's going on out there? Wait, you mean this at? Wait, is space? Oh, where is it? I don't know. Okay, now let's protect the exit for speed home. And now, it's actually the story of Birds and Pigs and Birds cast. And also the harvest. It's not. These are sports of pissed. Or how do I what? Hey, what are you doing? No. Hey, please get me out of here. And no, it's just a horror between you. Wait, the horse because you on a hotel, you're not the pig. But it's a tiny pig, of course. But we're not the pig, just like you. No, wait, no. Please, what are you doing? What are you doing out there? It's just a tour. Beep. And good luck for you so for there. Oh, you? This can be. Of course. Ready to test the heavy. Of course, no. Is this into a hole? No, please, 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 please. Sorry, happened that because.